Rooting for you. Understanding support and encouragement in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we make learning English fun and easy. Today, we're diving into a very interesting and widely used phrase in English: rooting for someone. This phrase is all about support and encouragement, but what does it really mean? And how can you use it in your daily conversations? Let's find out together. The phrase, rooting for someone, means to support, encourage, or hope for someone's success in a particular situation or endeavor. It's often used in sports contexts but can apply to any scenario where someone is striving to achieve something, be it in academics, professional life, or personal goals. When you say you're rooting for someone, you're essentially telling them you're on their side and you hope they succeed. It's a powerful way of showing your support and can significantly boost someone's confidence and morale. The term, rooting, in this context is believed to have originated from the British expression, to root for, which means to cheer or support. It made its way into American English, where it became a common way to express encouragement, especially in sports. This transformation shows how language evolves and adapts across cultures and contexts. Using rooting for someone is quite straightforward. Here are a few examples to help you get the hang of it. In sports, I'm rooting for the Blue Jays in the playoffs. I really hope they win this year. In personal achievements, my friend has a job interview tomorrow, and I'm really rooting for her. She's worked so hard for this opportunity. In competitions or contests, my cousin is in a spelling bee competition, and our whole family is rooting for him. It's a versatile phrase that can be used in various situations to express support and encouragement. Expressing support for someone by saying, "I'm rooting for you," can have a significant impact on their confidence and motivation. It shows that they are not alone in their journey and that they have people who believe in their success. This emotional support can be crucial in helping them push through challenges and strive for their goals. We hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and usage of the phrase, rooting for someone. It's a wonderful way to express support and encouragement in English and can make a big difference in someone's life. So next time someone you know is working towards a goal, don't forget to tell them you're rooting for them. It might just be the boost they need to succeed. Thank you for watching, and keep practicing your English with us. See you in the next video.